Now do your stuff.
I'm gonna get more angry. I have no room to do my stuff. That's what makes me upset.
Okay, I'll speed it up, make it look fast. I'll just be close to you, that's all.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, there you go. I'll just be close to you to make it look good. Oh shit.
I'm telling you, man, there's no room to do stuff.
Sorry.
I can't do the right side. I'm pretty much straight up.
You gotta practice on your right side, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm getting a little better on my right side. I'm pretty comfortable with the right now.
The right, I feel like I'm gonna fall off. Oh, let me pass too, man.
Mang, 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 mang. The two big guys go slow. There we go.
Yes.
Woohoo! Right behind you.
Alright. Let's do some stuff. Wait. No homo.
Let's do some stuff. Alright. I've been waiting for you to say that all day.
I do it. Do it. Alright, here we go.
Do it too. Wow, what a lead.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm proud of you.
One more time, right side. Oh, what up?
Yeah, now your positioning is starting to look a lot better.
Yeah, I'm sitting
like
all
that,
the...
like that girl from last time.
Yeah, I've been watching a video. I put my ass all the way back. Look past the mirror. Punch over. It's from the Our Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I saw the video like 2 days ago.
Very nice.
Twist of the wrist, baby.
Twist of my wrist. Got to be smooth.